should come to office hours.
Alright guys, this is completing the square. So remember, it's when you take standard form. Standard form, and you want to convert it into graphing form. I love it when people make guest appearances in these little videos, okay? So we're trying to move into graphing form. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at this example. Let's go ahead and look at this example problem. So we have y equals x squared plus 12x plus 12. Alright, so remember, we need to figure out how many numbers do we need to add so that we can get it into perfect square trinomial format. Okay? So, y equals x squared plus 12x plus some number. We don't know what that number is yet. So what is the pattern? PJ, what do we have to do with the 12?
You have to divide by 2.
12 divided by 2 is?
6.
And then what do we do with the 6?
Squared. I mean, yeah.
Which is 36. That's what we know, always the pattern of perfect square trinomials. It needs to follow this for this to become a perfect square trinomial. So if we want to add 36, how many do we actually need to add? Because we already have 12. How many do we need to add? How many do we need to add to 12?
14.
24? Right.
Yeah.
24.
Oh, yeah,
Right.
yeah.
And then what we do to one side, we always have to do
To the other.
to the other side. Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
I love math.
So now we have a perfect square trinomial here with the addition of 24. So now we have 24 plus y equals, what's the factored form of x squared plus 12x plus 36?
X plus 6.
X plus 6
Squared.
squared. Because if we factor this in the box, we would get x plus 6 times x plus 6. Are we done yet? No.
Nope.
Why not? Because we need to get y by itself. What do we need to do to get y by itself? We need to
Minus
Subtract.
24.
Make
we
zero.
make a 0, subtract 24 from both sides. So then we have y equals
X plus 6
quantity squared.
minus 24.
Woo!
Yeah.
Okay.
And the
We are-
vertex, the
Okay, great.
Oh, I
Okay,
thought
so the vertex, what would the vertex be?
6.
negative 6, negative 24.
Woo! Okay, because remember, the vertex is always the opposite because negative 6 plus 6 would make this 0, and that's what we're looking for. So our final answer is y equals x plus 6, the quantity squared, minus 24. And that is how we went from standard form into vertex form. Heyo!